Dad, this is a big. This is so big, Dad. This is a big surprise.
Surprise, Michael.
Yeah, it's a surprise.
Yeah, this is a big box.
Oh, picture, Michael.
This is cool. It's a wagon. This is a wagon.
A little miniature wagon for you. That goes outside, buddy. That's gonna go outside to play with.
Michael, there's more in here. Come here.
Ooh, what's this?
Are you ready?
Ooh, what is that?
It's your critter catcher, buddy. Look. You can catch bugs with it.
Yes.
Hey,
Catch bugs?
yeah, this has to go outside too, buddy. Baby can't have this. This is stuff that goes outside in your toy box.
Yeah, there's not a rain on it.
See, buddy, look, it's a big net. And you catch bugs. See, like that.
Whoa, wow.
You get bugs.
Whoa.
Alright.
You know what you're in? And then, Mom, you catch bugs. It's hard to catch bugs.
Okay, you catch
Okay.
bugs.
Get off the table before you fall and get hurt.
Yeah, happy.
I got mine. Okay, this one. Look, Michael.
Wow, what's this?
What's that little thing?
That's a little critter container. You put your bugs in there. Different little bugs. You gotta cut that little thing in there to get it to open up. You gotta cut it open on this. Let me see it. The zip tie.
Daddy, ano?
Michael, give it here before you break it. You don't take the handle apart. Here.
Excuse me.
I just gotta fix it.
This has to be cut.
You want it to be cut?
You got those heavy scissors in here, bud?
Touch me. Crash. Smash it. Box. Oh, thank you. Here, open the box. Open the box. Open.
Michael, your present. You happy with that?
Yes. Open.
Yes.
Hey, buddy. Opens like this. You can close it back up.
Yes, the way the bugs do
Yeah,
stuff.
so the bugs don't get out.
What's this?
Yeah,
What's this, Daddy?
like that. Oh, you were putting a mess on the ground, don't you? You just like throwing stuff on the floor. It's fun.
Look at scissors. This is how to put bugs in.
More scissors, babe.
No scissors over there. I didn't tell so I had to open it. It opened. It opened, Mom.
Leave the scissors in here just in case you need it.
What is that? That's a scissor.
Scoop the bugs up so you don't get bit by them. Like the beetles. You don't get bit by them.
For your bugs, Michael, okay?
This
Yeah.
is
Bugs.
I got.
this is supposed to be a pair of tweezers, but I don't know how that works. But this is supposed to be where you look at the bug.
Magnifying.
Yeah, like this. Oh yeah, you can see it. Look. Makes the bug bigger. Magnifying glass. And this one right here is for little tiny bugs. See? Little bitty bugs. You put in there.
Whoa,
Yep, and got
little
little-
bugs?
Yeah, you can put little bitty bugs in there.
Yes. Small bugs.
Yep.
And big
And
bugs.
this is for looking at little bitty bugs. You can look at them, or even the big bugs. You can look at their eyes and stuff like that.
Yeah, so they know that get out.
Yep. Magnifying.
Okay, there's more. Which one do you like to open?
This one. This is one frogs and crickets.
Yeah, that's for bigger bugs.
Oh, that's so nice.
That's for bigger bugs, buddy.
Yes. This is go
I guess you could put fish in there, frogs, worms. This is all bugs, fish, frogs, worms, creatures.
Yes, in this one.
Yeah, you can put your frogs in there.
Presents, Dion.
Yes, we only had to put it outside, guys.
Yeah, that's all outside stuff, buddy.
Yes, it's all outside. Hey.
Alright, which one more, Michael? Which one? Wow, what is that, Michael?
This is colorful.
Surprise.
Surprise. Yes, surprise, Mama. Surprise. Wow, this is what's happening.
Wow, what is that, Michael?
This is all easy.
Boat.
Yeah, boat. This is
No, look at that.
and this has a nice
RC boat, buddy.
boat. This is the RC boat.
Yeah, you can fill your sandbox up with water and put the boat in there and drive it around with the remote control.
Yeah, the remote control. Oh!
They got this thing.
Yeah, open
In
this
there.
one.
This one first, the small ones first.
Yes, in the big one.
Yes, and the last one is the big one. Alright, so next. What you gonna open? That one?
Yes, this is the big one.
Oh, open it, Dion.
Oh, it's strapped in there. No wonder. How is this thing in here?
Whoa! It's a spider! Spider!
Wow, spider! Ah!
CBC spider.
Let me take it out of there before you break it. And it's not going to work. Let me take it out of there. You like the spider too?
It's here. It's spider. This is
Oh, look at that, buddy. It's got a light on it too. So you put this on here, and you can turn it on. Like, there you go.
Yes.
For your bugs. This is a little. This goes on top. Okay.
Yes. So let the bugs in.
So you don't let them out.
Yeah.
There. Lock it in there. There you go, buddy.
You gonna open this thing? Open!
I'll go. Put your other stuff in here, buddy, too.
Stop it.
Okay, open this one. Second to the last. Oh, Daddy gonna take care of this one. Pictures.
Oh, wow, buddy. Great,
Open this. Open.
What's inside? Surprise! Surprise!
Surprise. Open. Open, Dion. Good job, Dion. Open.
Wow. It's a spider.
Open. Open, Dion. Michael, there's more gift in here.
It's a tarantula. I'm so excited about this one, dude.
I got see one.
The legs even feel rubbery.
What is that, Michael?
Happy birthday!
I mean that one. What is that?
It's drums!
Drums, yes.
Yes, I can see. Hi! It's so much
Drums for Michael. Ah.
I'm gonna put some batteries in this.
Colorful drums for Michael.
You're gonna have to probably charge it a bit later. That's built-in charge. That's got built-in lithium battery to charge, dude.
Wow. Wow, Michael. You got nice one there.
That's fun. Good. That was
You need to open mine. It needs to open. Open. And the next one is the big box.
The big bag! Yeah, there's a big bag! Oh my gosh. Michael, open the big bag!
Hey!
Oh, what is that, Michael?
you're drawing. That's what you're drawing, Mom.
That's so nice, Michael.
That's what you're drawing, Mom.
Yeah.
Okay, look.
Wow.
Big box.
Big bag.
This is a big box, guys. Really big.
It's big.
Yes, the other one's small. The other one's small, guys.
Oh, kita na na, kita.
Big girl.
Oh, Dion.
Four. I gotta see. I gotta see.
Wow, that is cool.
Wow, nice blood.
These are foot pedals.
Yes, those are toilets. These are
And there's more Michael, come here. One letter from Daddy.
Hope I put the right card in the right.
Look at this.
Michael, wait. Look! Wrong card!
That's what I was figured. I didn't know. I forgot.
Look, Michael! Have fun birthday, boy! This monkey. Wait, monkey, Michael! This monkey came to say hello and help you celebrate. He hopes your birthday is awesome and the year ahead is great. Happy birthday, love, Mom, Dad, Dion, and Sophia. Happy birthday, Michael. Mommy, just thinking about of you, Mommy, and the loving things you do. That make you really special and love a whole bunch too. Happy Mother's Day. Love, Dion, Michael, and Sophia. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. Watch.
Daddy's playing Spider. Thank you.